Hey guys, today we have a Magnum Super Drum Blaster here. It's pretty big. 40 round rotating drum. That's a lot of darts. It's not a Nerf gun, but it actually looks like one. On the box here it says up to 80 feet shooting. That's pretty far. And here on the back we have, trigger fire, slam fire, adjustable tactical stock, stabilizes rapid fire. This is backwards, I know you can't see it, so I'll just read it to you. There's a magazine, anchor, unscrew, and load drum. Super darts fly up to 80 feet. Well, that's the box. But let's open this.
It doesn't have 40
so
darts.
Here we go.
It's not big. It doesn't have 40.
It's kind of hard to cut through these twist ties, or whatever you call them, zip ties. One. Here's the blaster. The drum.
Stop.
Sorry about that. Instruction manual. And the darts. I think I should leave these in the box. Well, done with that. Let's get on to the review.
You notice it's not a box. Yeah, but this video is so dumb.
Hey guys, we're back and we're fully assembled. So, we're ready for the shooting test. First shot. Yeah, looks like 20-ish feet. That one went farther. If you're trying to hit somebody with this, I think you shouldn't use it. Try out the slime fire. That one's probably gone.
Hey guys, he probably meant a little close to 20 feet, but maybe it is, maybe. That's good. Gone.
Okay. Last one. Now, let's go collect them.
He didn't shoot all the bullets, but yeah, probably about half.
So, sorry about that. We're done collecting the bullets, and we're gonna go back inside. All right, guys. So I think that was a total success and everything. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.